This video is to show a problem with the Android app, the event-base Android app. It deals particularly with a difference between a session that's set up either with participants or without participants. And so here I'm editing on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and edit two of those sessions. So let me come and take a look at my sessions. And we'll take a look at one session here, the Continental Artillery and Infantry. So we'll come and edit that session. And you'll notice that this one has no participants selected. So if I drop this list down, none of our participants are selected here. So that's one. It will behave one way. And so if I go back to my list of sessions, let's look at one that has some participants. It's the reading of the Declaration of Independence. We'll take a look at this one, and we'll see that this one has two selected. It's got John Adams and Thomas Jefferson. So the bug that we're about to look at it behaves differently based on whether we have participants selected or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and first look at this in the mobile app version, so we can see that the mobile app version behaves as expected. So here we go. So here's the mobile app version of this. Here's that first one we looked at that has no participants. It's the Continental Artillery and Infantry. So I'll go ahead and follow that one, and you can see that this brings us to the description here. So Continental Artillery, here's the description of the event. It tells us when it's scheduled. We can go to the venue. So that's how it should work. And in fact, the other one works that way as well. So we'll go back, and here in the mobile app version, if we come to the reading of the Declaration of Independence and follow that, same thing. We see the venue, we see the schedule, and we see there are two participants here. However, if we look at this in event-base, the event-base app for Android, let's go ahead and come back to the app. So here's the app. And here we are on the schedule for this. Again, go to Continental Artillery and Infantry. Lets me set the reminder. It's showing me the picture for this, gives me the description just as expected. But if we go to reading of the Declaration, instead of taking me to the description for this page, it takes me to the description for one of the participants. And so this is the participant page rather than the session page. And here it's showing, hey, this guy's in the reading of the Declaration of Independence. Yeah, I'm trying to get to that page. So if I click there, it now takes me to the venue. All the description about the venue, where the venue is and everything, and it can show me, hey, what's at this venue? Oh yeah, here it is, reading of the Declaration of Independence. All right, let me go there. I click there, it takes me back to one of the participants on that page. So on the Android app, for a session that has participants listed, there doesn't seem to be any way to get to the description of the session. I can either get to one of the participants or to the venue, but not to the description page. And so that's the problem that we're taking a look. Today's date is the 26th of September 2017. And I'm making this video for the support folks at event-base in hopes that they can see the problem and get it fixed.